Hello guys, and welcome back to another episode of Let's Fail at Fear. Yep, this is Fear, the first one, the original one, the most fun one. And everyone says differently, is a freaking fool, and you should learn what's fun is all about, I guess. Yep, so we're about to listen to this message,
You have one.
and I have one new message.
Hey man, I heard something crazy's happening over there. You alright? Let me know. We're still on for Friday, right? Call me back, bro. I hope you're alright.
End of messages.
Yep, so he heard something crazy going on in here, and he was asking if we're all up for Friday, and he wants us to call him back. But we won't do that, because we're too busy calling some dudes back. Okay, another big open place. Looks like business. Okay. Oh, hello. This is Dawson. Beer can. So we have a Kevlar and we have a medkit here, which is good news. We need to go.
Command, what's the sit rep?
Down. Nice. Enemy down. Holy shite. Where are you at? The flank as well, you know. I'm sorry I'm playing like defensive here because after all it's extreme difficulty, you know, and I don't want to die too quickly here. I don't want to die at all here. So, yeah, it's been a bloodbath. Hope you brought Trump food. Pistols, let's do pistols. I usually don't like to be kept on ammo. So I'm just, rotating with the weapons. No, can't use it. I'm capped. Okie dokie. There's some scary, creepy music going on at the moment. Yeah. Oh shit! I can dance all day, I can dance all day. Shotgun. Oh, nice, nice, nice. I want that, I want that. How do I get there? That I want definitely. Enhance my flexes. Yes, please. Wow, took some damage here. Lost my armor. And lost some HP as well. Wait, what? No, not kidding. This was worth running back a little bit. Let's see. Yeah, I've noticed that I'm clearing my throat a little bit too much in videos. And well, basically, you know, I have a sore throat most of the time because, well, I'm I'm studying Gemara or Talmud as it known, and it's a lot of, you know, voice acted a little bit, you know, to get to the truth of the study. So yeah, and except for that, guess I'll need to go back there. Kevlar, nice. Yeah, and I'm usually recording it when I'm
According
tired.
to police, an explosion that leveled a dockside warehouse this
Right
evening
now
was
it's-
most likely the result of an industrial accident. No injuries have been reported, but emergency workers are still on the scene.
Oh, it's the radio. I thought there was someone talking to me. Yeah, it's about 12:30 a.m. here. The cans are dancing. That's nice. Exit. No, it's not. That's not an exit. Oh, well. Nice. Okay. Weapon. Use that. Thank you. Right. Jumping scene. Yay! Welcome to Mario, guys. Oh. Well, that's why I don't play Mario, guys. Oh. Ugh. Saving checkpoints. Thank you very much. Three guys. I got it. Got all three, right? I hope I did. Awesome if I did. I heard someone saying check in. They say that? It's bad news for me. Okay, let's make a run for it. Shotgun. Oh, damn. I know what's gonna happen now. I think. Okay, it's gonna get tactical now, guys. Shite. Oh, the wall. Blinding. Whatever. Oh, so much blood on that. Yes, you do.
Who's over there?
No,
Copy. Engine cover.
nobody here, man. What was that? Oh. That was, it says gas weapon. For a sec. It's wrong. Let's see my ammo. Okay. I guess I'll use some pistols for the time being. Oh! Oh no. No. Is this... Okay. Oh. Okay. I think I remember this from the demo like 5 years ago. Something like that. It's definitely exactly it. Quick save. Whoa, man. Is this your hand? Yes, it is. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Yes, baby. By far one of the most fun game and one of the most fun weapons ever. And those guys are freaking annoying. You know what a big scare they gave me the first time? I mean, they gave me such a big scare I died. Yeah. Luckily, I was prepared.
Looks like these fuckers are pulling out. Seeing a substantial mobilization on the satellite.
Kevlar there. Which is good. How's this going down? There's something here. There's a med kit. Good. Kevlar. Even better. Nice, I knew it. They always hide the secrets, the little good treats from me. Well, not anymore, guys. I know where you hide your yummy stuff. So yeah, basically when I see like a path that doesn't relate to the primer path, so to speak, I know it's sniper. I'm not a sniper. Where did I stop firing? Never mind. Right, so I know basically that's my RPG instinct just pops up. It says, "Wait, MadNek, I need to check what's what." Okay, never remember that first thing. Saving checkpoint. Oh. What? Yes. Thank you. I don't need a med kit. Full. It's like only 3 HP away. Okay. What's that? What is this? Looks like a shotgun. Probably a shotgun. Okay, well it's a shotgun. I'm giving up. I hate shotguns. They're close combat range and I basically never fight in close combat. Not in FPSs anyway. Oh!
Where is Alma?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Some secrets get buried deeper than others, but I know where to dig.
No, wait, you've got the wrong guy.
Hush now, Mr. Moody. The time for talk is done.
Please,
Okay.
no!
Thank you, cutscene. I had like a few seconds to drink some water. Much appreciated. Yeah. Figured. Holy shite. Oh man. Oh, flashlight ran out. Thank you, flashlight. Okay. Whew. Well, we completed another level, which was called Bad Water, I guess. And here's level 4. Okay, I'm gonna cut it here, guys. Hope you enjoyed it so far. Thank you for joining. Hope you enjoyed it. I sure did. It's getting better and better now that I got my rifle. Well, you're gonna see what's what in this next episode I'm gonna record. I hope you will join me in the next part, and I hope you enjoyed it so far. See you in the next part, guys. Bye bye.